Mr. President, Excellencies, the heads of state and government, Mr. Secretary General, distinguished delegates. I begin by thanking the Secretary General of the United Nations for convening this important summit. Biodiversity resources are a lifeline for us. They provide fresh air, clean water, food and livelihood, mineral and medicine, and help sustain human life and economy. Biodiversity connects generations and surpasses national boundaries. Living in harmony with nature is part of Nepali culture. Our ancient sages and saints have passed down valuable knowledge of biodiversity and taught us the value of its conservation. Therefore, Nepal accords high priority to biodiversity conservation and has made a good progress. Protecting biodiversity constitutes a critical component of our national aspiration of prosperous Nepal, happy Nepali. 23% of our geography has been designated as protected area and we have achieved Aichi target 11. We now plan to expand it to 30% by 2030. Nepal's progress in landscape level conservation and transboundary cooperation on migratory species are considered as success stories. So is the engaging communities to managing human-wildlife conflict. Availability of clean energy from hydroelectricity has reduced stress on biodiversity. Through strong law enforcement system and enhanced cooperation at international level, we have achieved zero poaching of rhino for almost a decade. We have almost doubled the number of tigers, well ahead of the target year of 2022. The world can learn from our experience. Excellencies, Nepal's mountain ecosystem is unique laboratory and true source of knowledge to inquisitive scholars, researchers and scientists. Mountain ecosystems make critical common property resources for the benefit of humanity which extends beyond our borders. Human encroachment, pollution, climate change and wildlife crime all have negative impacts on biodiversity. It is a multi-stakeholder business that requires commitment and action from all actors, nationally and internationally. We need to set more ambitious targets with a right balance of people's right over natural resources and its sustainable protection. We also need sustained investment in biodiversity conservation. Implementing urgent climate action is a moral obligation. We need to harmonize the efforts under multilateral agreements and internationally agreed development frameworks. Let us stand united, save this beautiful planet forever for our posterity. We have no right to compromise their future. Let us make it more habitable than today. Let us muster requisite political will, promote ideas and innovations, and act robustly to conserve biodiversity. Thank you.